The next option is use first row as headers. So you might have already seen this by default, it is being taken care. But in some of the cases, right, if the data doesn't support it, you need to, I'll just delete this step so that we'll do it manually. Okay. So in the very initial stage, when you get the data, let me just select sheet. Okay. I'm deleting the promoted header step. Okay, this is how the data looks like. So there's a column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and so on. But the actual headers is sitting in the very first row: segment, country, product, discount band, unit sold. So I'm going to just select, I'm going to do one option, simply use first row as headers. Okay. And there is another option below it, if you can see in the drop down, use headers as first row. Okay. So sometimes you might not be sure. So in this process, right? So let us do the first option. So this is first option, which is converting your first row as address, which is what we wanted. But what happens if Power BI is doing this automatically for you? Sometimes there is a chance that it might get confused and give you the actual records as a header names. In that case, you don't want to have those headers as headers. Rather, those headers are part of your data, maybe. In that case, you can say use headers as first row. That means your headers will go as a record in your data.